Back in 2018, I shamelessly chased people to invest in my company. Working in the meat industry, I noticed that consumers were becoming increasingly interested in the provenance of the food, the treatment of animals, and the impact of meat production on the planet. The total lack of transparency inspired me to begin this journey. I set out to show what it meant to produce and eat meat that could taste incredible, be healthier for us as humans, and have a positive impact on the environment. After our successful race, I put a fantastic team together, and today I'm so proud of what we have achieved.
I'd been a vegetarian for 25 years, but I always kept a really keen interest in food and nutrition. And about 6 years ago, I started to eat meat again for health reasons. I really wanted to know where it came from and what the impact of this could be. This really was the start of my journey.
The brand's purpose of reconnecting people back to nature is even more relevant since the COVID crisis hit. People are seeking a connection back to the natural world. There is a new understanding that ancient methods are the best. They increase levels of nutrition, well-being, and help save the planet. This purpose is at the core of all of our brand activity and communication.
I'm working with the Ethical Butcher to help them refine their production standards and build relationships with their farmer suppliers. I've previously worked with the Pasture-Fed Livestock Association, where we developed the Pasture for Life certification mark for 100% grass-fed beef, lamb and dairy. And I'm delighted for the Ethical Butcher as they build their business now and build a key relationship between consumers and farmers that are delivering genuine regeneration of the British landscape.
Following the last raise, we secured our premises on 2 years rent-free lease and turned what used to be a jeweler shop into a food manufacturer facility with full license from the Food Standard Agency. We then launched our website in February and started to offer our online services. Turnover has exceeded over £500,000 in the 9 months since we started trading. We have shipped over 6,500 orders to more than 3,000 customers, and 60% of orders are repeat business. We have also instigated some collaborations with some amazing brands who share our ethos, which helps us to increase our reach to new and engaged audiences. We did 2 years of research and development to produce soy-free chicken, which last month was featured in the national news, citing our farmer as pioneer in the industry. Your investment will help us to expand our team, bringing some new skills, especially in the areas of data, finance and operations, as well as increasing our marketing to reach a wider audience.
We launched our business in February and had steady growth from some good press, and we were packing about 10 or 15 customers' boxes per day by hand. And then something happened. The first day of our digital marketing coincided with lockdown. Our message resonated with customers who were worried about food security, and overnight we went from a few orders a day to over 100. We were absolutely knocked off our feet. However, we learned quickly. We put in some crazy hours, some new systems, but most importantly, we honoured our customers' trust in us. We've started to change an industry from the inside. Please help us to maintain this momentum and growth. We put ethics and transparency at the forefront of our business model.
You know, when I'm producing stuff of the quality that I do, you know, I'd like people to appreciate it, because otherwise I've been selling stuff just into the through the normal market, so it just goes into the supermarkets and other processed foods. People don't know, you know, what they're getting, and it's quite a disappointment to me to know that my message and the quality of my products isn't getting to the right people.
I got involved with the Ethical Butcher just because it's a fantastic system of getting quality meat to the people, really.
From day one I've been involved with the progress and the development of the company. As a chef, it's about who the suppliers I can trust. So, you know, a supplier that I know and trust means the world to me, that, you know, I feel I'm in safe hands when I'm getting the products through, and I know that they're sustainable.
I have a true passion for farmers markets. What a great opportunity it is to be able to choose your meat online, to know that it comes from great sources, and then have it arrive on your doorstep the following morning. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's like virtual farmers market.
There's a craft meat revolution on the horizon, and this is now your opportunity to join us and help us to shape the future of the meat industry in the UK.